Welcome to the learning resource on setting up cyber cafe and documentation center as a small business. In this presentation, we cover the rules and guidelines for the business of cyber cafe. Now, firstly, you should know that what is a cyber cafe and documentation center, how the term cyber cafe is defined. As we go through the provisions of the Information Technology Act of India, the term cyber cafe means any facility from where access to the internet is offered by any person in the ordinary course of business to the members of the public. Cyber cafe is a facility comprising of computers, internet connection, and other computing resources. So, as the owner of cyber cafe, you would be providing services of internet access to the members of the public, and the customers will be paying you for availing these services. Normally, these charges are based on time of usage of internet. A cyber cafe provide internet and data communication infrastructure to the persons. So cyber cafe business involves setting up of internet access and data communication infrastructure. The entrepreneur can set up such facilities in an appropriate space either owned by him or rented. In modern times, we see a growth in electronic services, that is e-services, the cyber cafes as the internet access points or the public interface terminals are becoming a viable business options. Some services like online job applications, online admission form submission, e-ticket booking, etc. are available on the internet. The cyber cafe owner can provide such facilities in his center also. There are some rules and regulations for the cyber cafe business. As per the provision of the IT Act, rules and regulations formulated by the government from time to time are to be followed for the cyber cafe business. In this presentation, we highlight some of these rules related to the cyber cafe business. The cyber cafe shall be registered with the registration authority as notified. There is a requirement for the proper identification of the users. The cyber cafe needs to maintain the authenticated records of the users. The cyber cafe shall not allow any user to use its computer resource without identity of the user being established. The intending user may establish his identity by producing a document which shall identify the users to the satisfaction of the cyber cafe. Such documents may include identity card issued by any school or college, or photo credit card, passport, voter identity card, permanent account number, photo identity card issued by the employer or any government agency, driving license issued by appropriate government, unique identification number. The cyber cafe shall keep a record of the user identification document by either storing a photocopy or a scanned copy of the document duly authenticated by the user and the authorized representative of the cyber cafe. Such record shall be securely maintained for a period of at least 1 year. In addition to the identity established by an user under the sub-rule 1, he may be photographed by the cyber cafe using a web camera installed on one of the computers in the cyber cafe for establishing the identity of the user. Such web camera photographs, duly authenticated by the user and authorized representative of the cyber cafe, shall be part of the log register, which may be maintained in physical or electronic form. A minor without photo identity card shall be accompanied by an adult with any of the documents as required under Subrule 1. A person accompanying a user shall be allowed to enter cyber cafe after he has established his identity by producing a document listed in Subrule 1, and record of the same shall be kept in accordance to the Subrule 2. The cyber cafe shall immediately report to the concerned police if they have reasonable doubt or suspicion regarding any user. The cyber cafe may take a photo of the user using web camera. The next important rule is the maintenance of log register. After identity of the user or any person accompanied with him has been established, as per the Subrule 1 of Rule 4, the cyber cafe shall record and maintain the required information of each user as well as accompanying person, if any, in the log register for a minimum period of 1 year. The cyber cafe may maintain an online version of the log register. Such online version of the log register shall be authenticated by using digital or electronic signatures. The log register shall contain at least the following details of the user, namely the name, address, gender, contact number, type and detail of identification document, date, computer terminal identification, login time, and logout time. The cyber cafe shall prepare a monthly report of the log register showing date-wise details on the usage of the computer resource and submit a hard copy and a soft copy of same to the person or agencies as directed by the registration agency by 5th day of the next month. The cyber cafe owner shall be responsible for storing and maintaining backups of following log records for each access or login by any user of its computer resource for at least 1 year. The first part is history of websites accessed using computer resource of the cyber cafe. Logs of proxy server installed at cyber cafe. The cyber cafe shall ensure that log register is not altered or maintained in a secure manner for a period of at least 1 year. Also, the guidelines with respect to the physical layout and computer resource needs to be followed. Under this, the first important point is partition of cubicles. The partitions of cubicles built or installed, if any, inside the cyber cafe shall not exceed 4.5 feet in height from the floor level. The screen of all the computers installed other than in partition or cubicles shall face outward, that is, they shall face the common open space of the cyber cafe. Any cyber cafe having cubicles or partitions shall not allow minors to use any computer resource in cubicles or partitions except when they are accompanied by their guardians or parents. All the time clocks of the computer systems and servers installed in the cyber cafe shall be synchronized with the Indian Standard Time. All the computers in the cyber cafe shall be equipped with the commercially available safety or filtering software so as to avoid, as far as possible, access to websites relating to pornography, including child pornography or obscene information. Cyber cafe shall take sufficient precautions to ensure that their computer resources are not utilized for any illegal activity. The cyber cafe shall display a board clearly visible to the users prohibiting them from viewing pornographic sites as well as copying or downloading information which is prohibited under the law. Cyber cafe shall incorporate reasonable preventive measures to disallow the user from tampering the computer system settings. The cyber cafe shall maintain the user identity information and log register in a secure manner. The cyber cafe shall also maintain a record of its staff for a period of 1 year. Cyber cafe shall not misuse or alter information in the log register. The next important point is inspection of cyber cafe. An officer authorized by the registration agency is authorized to check or inspect cyber cafe and the computer resources of the network established therein at any time for the compliance of these rules. The cyber cafe owner shall provide every related document, registers, and any other information to the inspecting officer on demand. So in this presentation, we have apprised you about the rules and guidelines for the cyber cafe business. Thank you.